The next story hack is about font and the font color, because you can use a font color that is on your picture. For that, let's pick, for example, here, the pen. Then we know we have a palette of different colors we can use, which is pretty nice, so that's good. And we have a lot of colors, to be honest, so it shouldn't be a problem to find your color. But if you want to use a color that is only in your picture, let's say, for example, I don't know, the background color of my wall, or the color of my wall, then I can use the eyedrop symbol at the bottom left corner, which always shows the current color. I can click on that, and then I get this eyedropper in the middle of my screen. And now I can move this eyedropper, and you see, okay, wherever I move this, I see the current color of this. So if I want the color of my face or the color of the back of the wall of the background, then I can easily use it and then draw with it, or use this color for the text itself. So typing in text like this. Then we also know, yes, we have color, okay. Therefore, we click at the top center at this color ring, eyedropper, and then use again the background color. And then we have this text with the perfect color of my wall in the background. Then I can place it here, and then it looks even cleaner than, I don't know, using another color from this color palette. For example, this one would be nearly it, so this one maybe, or this one, but still not perfect. So use this eyedropper if you want a specific color that you only have in your picture.